Hello dear profiteers, welcome to another video at the Profit Curve. This is part 1 of 2 of the videos where we cover the India story and why you and I and all of us should keep faith and invest your money in this growth story. Angel Broking gives you a free demat account. The link is there in the description. Please do check out the link, click on it, open your account after watching the video. The source of information from the video is taken from Motilal Oswal YouTube channel and from their website. This is a conference which they keep annually, and this time Mr. Ramdev Agarwal himself, as you can see, covered a lot of good points in this concept on this forum. So we at the Profit Curve would like to cover in two parts why we think we are in a sweet spot right now as a country for prime investment destinations and for further growth. 100x, when you see this figure, you come to know that our country has grown 100 times in the last 35 years. From 1985 till 2020, the broader markets, the Sensex has returned 100 times. That's a CAGR or CAGR of 14%, right? Which is pretty impressive. But you can only see that how much the more you stay invested for a longer time, the more money you can make, right? The next point is we are the ultimate next trillion-dollar opportunity. We'll have a go at this also. The Indian economy, size of the economy, reached $1 trillion in 2007-8. Then we reached $2 trillion in 2015-16 somewhere. Now we are projected to almost reach $3 trillion by 2021. And as we go further, we become a $5 trillion economy. The passage is faster and the multiplication is also faster. Now, what are the key indicators? We are a democracy. We have a very consumption oriented middle class, deregulation. We have a stable government at the center. We are the prime of digitization in the world. Our software exports are close to $150 billion. That's quite an amount for any country. So all these factors come in, and all we need in the next 20-30 years also is a CAGR of 14%, which is pretty much by all means manageable. 14% CAGR over a 30-year period can 100x your returns. Yes, you heard that right. If your returns grow at just 14% for a period of 30 years, it becomes 100x. Next point is this is how it has turned up 100x in the last 35 years. This point we have already covered. So from March 1985, Sensex 354, as you can see, right from there till 34,916 in May 2019. This has been a journey of consistent growth with ups and downs. So whenever the market has ups and downs, don't lose your head, don't lose your faith. Stay invested, because the bounce back is always stronger. And as Mr. Agarwal has explained in this concept, I'm just giving you the voiceover in short. We are better than the world in terms of growth. As you can see, for this period, India has grown at 8% CAGR as a country in terms of the size of the economy. Well, China has grown at 12%. So we still need to beat them, and we are very close. We believe we are very close to beating them. So all these numbers and statistics, put together give us a holistic picture or an overall idea of the entire growth story. And in part 2, we'll see more factors of how and why this growth matters to you and me, and how it transpires in the stock markets. Keep profiting, guys. I'll see you again in part 2 of the similar theme video.